Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to export your wallet data from Ton Wallet. Launch the TonKeeper application on your device. Now, click on the settings icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now, look for the option labeled Backup. This option will vary depending on version of the application. Click on it. Now, this is the most common method to back up your wallet, which is recovery code. I have already backed up my code, so there is a check mark there. If you have not backed up your account, you need to click on it. Then 24-digit phrase will be generated there. Screenshot it or keep it safe somewhere. Ensure there are no mistakes on the recovery phrase. Store the exported recovery phrase in a safe place. Do not share the information with anyone, as it grants access to your wallet and fund. After you have noted down necessary information, confirm any prompts to finalize the export process. Once you have securely stored your wallet data, you can exit the application. By following these steps, you can effectively export your wallet data from Ton Wallet, ensuring you have backup for future access. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.